Let's make this amazing presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint. Insert an image and change its style. Add a rectangle outside of the slide. Insert some details inside the rectangle. Add another image outside of the slide and change its style. Add another rectangle outside of the slide and insert some details. Duplicate the slide and adjust your content like this. Duplicate the slide again and adjust your content like this. Duplicate the slide again and adjust your content like this. Now select all the slides and apply morph transition.